right, good morning everybody. It is Thursday, March 19th, day 4 of digital learning, and we're going to keep going today with day 4 of your science. Remember, if you need help with the reading, go back to days 1 and 2 for reading, and writing, go back to day 1. If you have other questions, let us know. Miss Cannon's going to make you a math video, so that should be up shortly if it's not already up there. So today we're going to look at day 4 for your science. So you need to turn to the page that has the date at the top, and it says, why do some buildings have entrance ramps? That's what we're going to be talking about today. Same thing as before, I will read you the passage. There's no vocabulary to preview over here, but if you're unsure of what something means, go back and check one of your other science activities, because all the vocabulary was in there. All right, so I'm going to go over the passage with you. We'll go over the questions and what they're looking for, and then you guys are on your own. All right, so let's take a look. Because they are inclined planes, ramps in front of building entrances require less force to go up them than stairs do. This means that people in wheelchairs or people who have difficulty walking can use the ramps to get into buildings. People can also push or carry heavy objects into buildings more easily. Ramps are important because they give everyone access to places such as schools, restaurants, and other public buildings. So, it talks about how inclined planes, they're, ramps in front of buildings. If you're pushing something up an inclined plane, or if you're walking up an inclined plane, it requires less force to go up it than stairs do. You're exerting less force, not having to work as hard going up a ramp than you would be having to go upstairs. And these types of ramps are really important because obviously there's some people who couldn't get into certain buildings and things without a ramp. If someone was in a wheelchair, or like this guy right here, if he's got a broken leg, you can't walk up the stairs that way. So they're really important to have ramps in front of all kinds of different buildings. So let's take a look at the questions for today. All right, it says, name 4 places you have been to that have a ramp in front of them. So you just think about it. If you've ever seen a ramp, that's what it wants you to write. I know we can't really go out necessarily and look for ramps right now, but maybe search some of your favorite places. Ask mom and dad if you could do a Google search of your favorite restaurants or something and see if there are any ramps in pictures or something, since I know we can't really go out and find them. But if you think about it, I bet you can think of 4 places that you know that have ramps. One of them should really stick out to you. I bet if you think about it really hard, what we walk up and down every single day to get up to the cafeteria, I bet you can at least have one answer on there. All right, and then let's look at the next one. Look at the drawing of the slide. Circle the 2 inclined planes in the picture, then answer the questions. So you'll need to circle 2 inclined planes in this picture. Which inclined plane requires you to use force? And which inclined plane uses force of gravity to do the work? So I bet you can figure that out. Pretty simple. These science lessons are awesome. They're pretty easy. If you're not sure about something, let us know. Message us. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow.